Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of StampWithNellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. And today I'm going to take part in the Creative Colour Challenge. This is number 179. And the colours are Lemon Lime Twist, Lemon Lolly and Grey Granite. This is a colour challenge that comes out every Monday, and you have until the following Sunday evening to enter. And you don't have to have a blog or anything, you can just upload a photograph. And this challenge is set by my lovely friend Victoria Littlewood, who is Vicky Lou Designs, and her craft challenge, or colour challenge rather, is Creative Colour Challenges.blogspot.com. So I'd love you to go and check that out and join in sometime. So I kind of thought this was a bit of a tricky combination, and this is one of the reasons I do love doing a colour challenge, is because these are three colours I probably would never put together, but you never know, I might like the result. I kind of hope so. So I have an idea of what I'm going to do, and I'm going to bring in some decorative masks that I've not used yet. So this is the linked together bundle. So you get decorative masks, these here. There's 5 masks in total, which you can buy all these bits separately or you can buy it as a bundle. Then you've got the stamp set and the die. So there's a lovely lattice die there, and cute little flowers and leaves there. So you can see the flowers and leaves on this one, and it looks like they've used the lattice to do tone on tone of that. And then we've got the lattice on this one that has had some blending done, and then the lattice put on top. This one uses masks 4 and 5 by the looks of it. And I think, I'm guessing that might be shimmery paste that they've put on to get that white there. But aren't those flowers just cute, adorable little things? So I haven't yet bought the stamp set and dies, but the more and more I see people using them, the more I want them. But I am a sucker for decorative masks. So given that my budget was a little bit limited, not made of money unfortunately, I just got the masks so far. Okay, so as I say, I've not played with them yet, so I thought let's just use them for a colour challenge, and I thought these 3 inks might blend well together, and we shall find out. Okay, so the 5 masks, and it might be easier to do that against a piece of coloured card, however, not really got one. So anyway, first one, then the second one. So you can use them individually, or you can, as suggested, layer them up. 3, again, a thicker border, so they kind of progress that way. And then, well, got these the wrong way round. 4 is this one, and 5 are these lovely little dot patterns on there. So you could layer 1 and 5 together. They work together. And I think that example that we saw was 4 and 5 together, you know. So use them all. Use 1 and 3, 1 and 4, whatever combination you wish. Quite like that one actually, 1 and 4. But for today, I think I'm going to stick with 1, 2 and 3, and we'll see how this works. So let's get them in the right order. That's the right order. Okay, so got my inks. I've actually got my blending brushes at the side here as well. So I'm going to open that out. That's my grey granite brush. my lemon lime twist and my lemon lolly. Okay, so I've got my inks already. I've got a card base and a card layer and a little bit for a sentiment, which I think will be a happy birthday. Right, so I am just checking that we're in shot here. Yeah, okay, so what I'm going to do is, this is going to get all inky and it's going to go in the bin. Once I've finished this card, I'm going to put a tiny little bit of glue on the back of my white layer so it's not going to move around. Okay, and I'm just lining that up with my grid paper so that I know that it is straight-ish. Then I'm going to come in with mask number 1. The numbers are up in this corner here and there is a little notch there. So you can do it so that you've got a border. I'm actually going to do it so that it kind of starts in that corner because I'm not going to do the full thing. Okay, so I'm just lining up where I want that. And I've got a little bit of washi tape. I'm just going to stick that down there. And I can mark that that is my little notch area there. And that's that bottom corner there. Okay. Right, so let's just move this up a tiny bit. I'm starting with the lemon lolly. Plenty ink on that. And I'm going to start in the corner of there and take that up. So if you want more ink, then you can press hard. If you want it to be nice and light, just hold it at the end there. Okay, so get it to the concentration you want it to be. And as I say, I'm not going to do the full card, but I want it to be quite saturated in the bottom corner. And with this one, I'm going to go light-ish. Oh, I've gone a little bit dark up there. Should have done that better, but never mind. Right. So I think that'll do for my lemon lolly. A little bit more in there. Okay. Then I'm going to come in with the next mask. You can either take that one off, or I think it'll work if I just layer them up. Let's just see. Right, lemon lolly, done. Lemon lime twist. Ink up this brush. And again, I'll start here and come in fairly dark in that corner, but not all the way to where I've gone with the lemon lolly. Extra dark in there. So some of the lemon lolly has been untouched with the lemon lime twist. Okay, and then our third mask and our third colour. Gonna pop that on. As I say, you can take the masks off and just use your marks to make sure you're in line. Okay, and our grey granite on top. But again, not covering all of the lemon lime twist, just this little corner here. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, I like it. I like it. It's actually quite a good combination. All right. So I'm going to keep the grey granite because I'm going to stamp a sentiment with that. Now, I have already gone ahead and done some die cutting because I was kind of hoping that that would work and I'd liked it. So with Lemon Lolly and Lemon Lime Twist, I have used the Painted Lavender dies. This one cuts out 2 pieces at once and then that one single. So I've got a little bit more of the colours in there, like so. And as I said, I have a little piece to do a sentiment. This piece is still stuck down. So I'm using the Happy Birthday from Simply Said, which is a nice go-to stamp set for you've got birthday wishes in a nice font or you've just got a nice straightforward happy birthday there. So I'm sticking with the Happy Birthday because that's kind of what I need for my stash at the minute. And let's see if I can get that straight. I don't know what size this is. It's just a scrap from my little pile. Not bad at all. All right, so let's get a bit of construction going on here then. Bring in that card base and I can gently take that off that's stuck down in place. It brings off just a little bit of the paper, but I can take that off. There we go. And then bring my glue back in because I want to just stick this right down. Plenty of glue on that. And just making sure that that's not sticky so I don't stick my card base to it. There we go. That's kind of straightish. That'll do for me. Put this one down first, I think. And I'm just going to put little dabs of glue on that. Like so. It's going to go up there. And same with this, just a little bit dots of glue on the larger pieces. There, and maybe a bit right at the end. So, there we go. One of you could go straight up there. There. And oh no, put your glue on that. A little bit of glue. And if you get a little bit heavy-handed like so, any little scrap of card, you can take the excess off like that. Or you could use the cocktail sticks that I used in a recent video. There we go, and I think I will pop my Happy Birthday up with some dimensionals. let's just pop that over here like that. And there we go. I have used those 3 colours and those fun linked together, is that what they're called? Yep, linked together decorative masks that I now need to just go and wipe clean. And I think that, do I want some bling? Do I really want some bling? I think I do. I'm not sure you can have a birthday card without a bit of bling. In fact, I've got some sequins here. Let's just, I think these were from cards. I made some masculine thank you cards and used these. There we go. That's it. Finito. Love that. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to leave me a comment, I'd love to read that. If you're new to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button, click the bell, get a notification the next time I upload a tutorial. Until then, please do take care. Bye bye.